siguro hindi na discuss during the talk of my colleagues yung tungkol sa sino mga criminologist po dito? Sino naging criminologist? Ayun na. Hindi. Mga criminologist, alam ko, amok natin pang panonood ninyo, the question you have in mind kung bakit kailangan ng hoax. Marami kasing nagtatanong, bakit pinapahirapan kami ng PRC? May CPD na, may hoax pa. The reason behind that is, it is made clear doon sa regulatory law ninyo, the Criminology Act ng 2016 also, na it is provided that yung membership you accredited organization is mandatory. To distinguish, at yung karatan ng APO, dapat di AIPO. APO, Accredited Professional Organization. Membership in APO is voluntary. Now, the PCAP is AIPO, Accredited Integrated Professional Organization. So, membership in AIPO is mandatory. And this is being reiterated by one resolution. Kaya naging mandato o naging mandated sa inyo ang pagsusubmit ng certificate of good standing when filing a renewal of your professional identification card. Sabi nga, Duralex and Lex.
Duralex.
The law may be harsh. Wala kayong nalilito.